for the APSC Forestry optional question paper PY solution. We will discuss the question paper of previous year of 2029 on optional APSC Forestry. So let's begin. So as per the provisions of the Assam Forest regulations, villagers were established and all above within the limit of reservation forest for providing a source without giving a heritage over the allotment land. So here the first question: as per the provisions of the Assam Forest Regulation Act, the forest villagers are established within the limits of reservation forest for providing a source of labor without giving any heritable right over the allotment land. All are above are the correct. As per provisions of rule, that is the correct. As per the provisions of the rules made under the section of 72C of the Assam Forest Regulations, any unauthorized occupant is an reserve forest can be ejected or ordered by the DFO to vacate the forest. Next question: as per the provisions of the Assam Forest Regulations, the number of the day as an adult forest villager is required to provide a labor per annum at a prevailing rate of wages 20 days. Option B is the correct. Question number 4. The Forest Conservation Act 1980 has been promulgated for regulating the non-forest uses of recorded forest area. Number C. The Wildlife Protection Act was enacted in the year 1972. The total number of schedules in the Wildlife Protection Act is 6. Under which section of Wildlife Protection Act killing of any animal is prohibited? Section 9. Ramsar Conventions is an international treaty conservation of wetland. The reason sorry for the disturbance. Next question: the region which is defined as area of uniform climatic conditions and having distinctly recognizable type of vegetation is known as phytogeographic region. The region which is defined as the area having uniform climatic conditions and having a distinctly recognizable type of vegetation is known as photogeographical region. Out of the which is not greenhouse gases, argon. The National Tiger Conservation Authority was made a statutory authority during the year 2006. The branch of zoology concerned with the study of amphibian and reptile is known as herpetology. The World Wetland is celebrated on 2nd February. The ecological state of a species being a unique to define a geographic location such as island, state, country or other defined zone or habitat type is referred as endemisms. The Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty adopted in 1997 to reduce the greenhouse gases emission. CIT stands for the Conservation of International threat in endangered species for wild flora and fauna. Maximum V content is found in anhydrous ammonia. The chloride in plants occur due to the deficiency of magnesium and iron. Arrangement of leaf on branches of plant is called phyllotaxy. 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 Arrangement of leaves on branches of plant is known as phyllotaxy. The largest ecosystem on land having a distinct type of vegetation and the wildlife is called biome. Which of the following forests are found in heavy rainfall area in Upper Assam? Tropical evergreen. The authority who oversees the matter relating the management of zone in the country is Central Zoo Authority. The Wildlife Protection Act is applicable to whole India. Nation's Word of Wildlife is headed by the Prime Minister of India. For any piece of land intended to be declared as wildlife sanctuary under the Wildlife Protection Act, appointing authority of a collector is state government. For any piece of land intended to be declared as wildlife sanctuary or under the Wildlife Protection Act, the appointing authority of the collector is state government. Eco-sensitive zone of any national park or sanctuary is notified under Nanavago. So, what will be the answer? Just search in internet. Yeah. National Wildlife Action Plan or the Minister Environment is stipulated the state government should declare the land falling within the 10 km or boundary of national park and wildlife sanctuary are as eco-fragile zones and eco-sensitive zones under the Environment Protection Act 1986. Next question. The Scheduled Tribe and the other traditional forest dweller recognitions of Forest Rights Act is 2006 is commonly known as Forest Right Act. The scheduled tribe and the traditional forest dweller recognitions of Forest Right Act 2006 is commonly referred to Forest Right Act. The Forest Right Acts provide to recognize rights over the forest land only those who had occupied the land as on 13 December 2005. The Biological Diversity Act was enacted in 2006. 2002. The Biological Diversity Act was enacted in the year 2002. As per the provision of the Biological Diversity Act, the State Biodiversity Board is prescribed to have a maximum number of members, including chairman 11. The plants that grow on rock are known as lithophyte. Which of the following is a state animal of Meghalaya? Cloudy leopard. The state tree of the Assam is Diporcopus and Marcocarpus. The state tree of Assam is Holong, which is scientifically is Holong. This is the correct Dipper Diporcopus Marcocarpus. Dipterocarpus Marcocarpus. Holong. The entire earth as an ecosystem is called as biosphere. Which of the following plants are known as a living fossil? Ginkgo Ginkgo biloba. What is this, man? Ginkgo biloba. Yes, the plant kingdom has some of the most famous living fossils. The most prominent example is Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is known as the maiden hair tree. This species is only survivor member of a subdivision of plant ginkgo tapided forest during the age of dinosaur. Let's see the photo. Okay. Next question. Which of the following protected the area as the golden lagoon? Soprosylla wildlife sanctuary. Which group of microorganisms has the highest biomass in soil? Fungi. The one horned rhino falls under which of the following category of IUCN Carnival? Which of the following is strictly herbivorous marine mammal? Dugong. Yes. Dugong. Oh. The dugong is the marine mammal. It is the one of the four species of the other Sirenia, which include the species of Mandara. That means it is a herbivorous marine mammal. So beautiful right now. The Sanctuary of Wildlife Rehabilitation and Conservation in Assam is located at Panbari near Kanpi. Gimilena arborea belongs to Varnavenes. The bamboo are the member of the group of grasses. The number of the flora species reported to be endemic to the Assam by Botanical Survey of India is 102, which is the proportional recorded as forest to be geographical area of India 23.57%. Based on the classification developed by the Wildlife Institute of India, the number of biographic zones in country is 10. The state bird of animal is white-winged duck. Devhati. White-winged duck, locally known as Devha. Buful, foxtail orchid. The number of national park is currently it is like 8. Current, okay, let me check. 8. There is 8 national park in Assam. Newly Sikar Saula National Park, which is previously declared 8 national park. Previously there was a 7 national park in Katrina. So it will be 8. The number of tiger reserve in Assam is, what will be the tiger? 4. There is 4. Correct answer is 4. Option number C. The population of elephant as per the elephant census 2017 is 5,719. Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary is located in district of Udalguri. Bornodi Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Assam is located in Udalguri. Which of the following is the biosphere Divocycloa? Which of the following is the primate found in the pillar leaf monkey? Which of the following is a Ramsay report bill? Which of the one of the following monkeys reportedly was unknown to the science and back been discovered in Northeast India region of India? Arunachal macaque. The instrument used for measuring the height of TV is clinometer. The name Carolius Linnaeus associated with the binomial nomenclature of plant and animal. The type of germination of seeds that take place before the detachment from the parent plant is known as viparous germination. The process of change in which the structures of various species of an ecological community over a period of time is known as ecological succession. The Rainforest Research Institute is located in Jorhat. The only vulture breeding sanctuary is in Bani. The International Day of Forests observed every year in 21st March. The International Day of Forests is observed every year in 21st March. The worldwide movements. Question number 63. The worldwide movement of Art Award is organized by WWF. Worldwide. Oh. What is the main activity during the Art Hour celebration? Turning off the electrical light from 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. In a year 2008, the population of Gangetic dolphin is estimated to 248 in Assam. The causes of decline in vulture population has been traced out as excessive use of which of the following medicines for treatment of the cattle? Option number C, diclofenac. The World Environment Day of 2018 is Beat Plastic Population. What will be the theme of 2025? Can you answer me? World Environment Day. Beat the plastic population. Same. Beat the plastic population. As per the Forest Survey of India, an area is classified as moderate dense forest when the canopy density is on 40 to 70%. The rhino population in Assam is estimated by total direct count method. Which one of the following is an exotic species? Tectonina grandis. Option number D. Gangetic dolphin is an mammal. Option number B. The Manas is all of this. A national park, tiger reserve only, wildlife sanctuary, and the biosphere reserve only, World Heritage Site. Option number D. The academic training for Indian Forest Service officers is named after Indira Gandhi. The headquarters of Forest Survey of India is in Dehradun. Timber from the Saruya robusta is primarily on its construction of purpose. The popular very good species for making pulpwood. What a great formula is used for measuring the volume of block. The idea of celebrating Mahotsav every year was mooted K.M. Munahi. In a Constitution of India, forest and forestry appear in concurrent lists. In Constitution of India, forest and forestry appear in concurrent lists. In forestry, the thinning meaning the removal of the weak poles for giving enough space for remaining poles of better quality. So removal of weak poles for giving enough space for remaining poles of better quality is known as thinning. Which one of the is the winter flowering species? Gimelina arborea. Option number C. The plant which bloom at night is Hewalipun. That is Nicatus arboretis. The standard bees height for the measuring diameter of tree is 1.37. Which of the following pair does not match? Option number B. Which of the following is evergreen species? Messelia campea. Option number C. The Art Summit at the Rio de Janeiro was held in 1992. Ex-situ conservation. Question number 87. Ex-situ conservation means option number C. Conservation of the wildlife species outside in natural habitat. Agar oil is extracted from the Equilia argolia. The age of tree of some species is estimated by the counting the rings in the stem. Which of the following lines is boundary for the plantation plot of 200 meter and 150 meter 700? The area of the plot of rectangular shape and 200-meter long and 150 wide is 3 hectares. Lag is a produced from the secretions from an insect which is parasite on tree. Chakradal Wildlife Sanctuary located in the Pokrajar. Orang Tiger Reserve is specially in Dorong and Soningpur. Which of the following scheduled fast species listed in the Wildlife Protection Act? Golden Lagoon. The regional office of the most and for the Northeast Regional is located in Guwahati. The only app found in the Assam is Holong Gibbon. The state shall endure to protect and improve the environmental and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country refers to which of the following article Constitution? Article 48A. Dietrich Bandis was the first Inspector General of Forests of India. A very good, very large ecosystem on land having distinct type of the vegetation and wildlife is called biome. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friend who is preparing for the forest ranger. Thank you so much.